Cadence produces devices such as biopsy needles. Dispensing devices use these needles also. Those needles are also used in laboratories, in lab equipment. The focus of a lot of our devices is to make the procedures that the doctors are performing on patients less invasive. We're very proud about the quality of the product that we make and how consistent we can make the product, because we know it's affecting people's lives. It's not an easy industry to break into if you don't start in the medical device industry. I actually look for people who are outside the industry because they bring a different perspective into the job. There is a focus on promoting from within and training, because some of the skill sets that we need are not readily available out in the industry. Entry level will be an operator who has maybe all they're doing is buffing or cleaning a part. The next level will be someone who's operating a piece of CNC equipment. And then the next level from that would be someone who's setting up that piece of equipment, right? So it's getting the piece of equipment ready for an operator to be able to run it. And then there's a whole other group that handles, the inspection piece of the product. Within the engineers, there's basically an entry-level engineer, and then they go over to senior and principal engineer. Cadence has a history of investing in their employees. The type of employees that we need to be successful many times are not coming off the street ready and are able to be productive to what we need. So we always know that it's in our best interest to always invest in the employees. It's really about engagement most of the time. Yes, they need to have all the technical skills, right? But those technical skills alone, without that want to learn more and advance themselves, it does not always make the best employee, right? So it's the ones that really have the drive and want to learn. Those are the ones that usually make the best employees.